Friday, November 29, the day after Thanksgiving. I just bought a fire pit here, so just unwrap and all my accessories here. I'm gonna put together this where the flame come out, and this is look like the top. I'm gonna try to assemble it. Okay, and got some screw, some rocks. So let's start do section here, and they want to go C first. And let's go do it. Plug into it. And screw it. Like these, just follow step by step. Yeah, I got it from Amazon like 2 days ago. Sometimes it's fun. Put yourself on YouTube and see what's Thanksgiving. No work at home. Already hand tied. Okay, tie on this side right here, and kind of straightforward kit. Got this Amazon about over $200. So here, put that on. Yep. Using that thing here. Tight it. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, here. Okay.
You see that hole?
Flip.
Oh, wait.
Gonna put chalk. Okay, go ahead. My son put and spread them. Spread them first. So. Also lock the propane. On! Yeah. Push it.
Wait, how you turn it on?
Push. Yeah.
Oh.
Do it again. Oh, shut it off. Oh, okay, come on. Come on. Good. Oh, you hold for 20 seconds.
Yeah, now I'm done.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's worth it. $300 fire pit. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn the flame a little higher. So this is how high you go. Okay. Okay. Go ahead.